Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Otim Nathan. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to set this circular wall. Today we are dealing with setting out the circular wall. As you can see, the wall that we are setting is going to be a circular wall all over. So we are going to build it with a hardcore up to a certain level of around 1 meter up. So the reason as to why we are going to build it with the hardcore, it is because here is a swampy area, so it is sometimes waterlogged. So we are going to first build it up to a certain height of around 1 meter. Then on top there we shall put the beam and we cast, then we shall start building it with the concrete block. So I'm going to show you what we are going to do in the step by step. So here we have our center, the center of our circular part. The center is the other side. So from the center we are going to have our tape measure and we shall measure the radius. So the radius of our curve is 14.303 meters. So from there what you do, one person has to hold the tape from the extreme end, and the tape has to be tied at the other point at a 0 mark. So from this point we shall first get the level. So we shall first get the level, making sure that this tape measure is horizontal. We get the level. You have to ensure that the bubble is at the center. The bubble must be at the center, as you can see. So the bubble is at the center. From there we shall put a mark here. Now my friend is going to hold at that point. Then we put again the spirit level from the opposite side on this bar, making sure that the spirit level also has to be the bar has to be vertical by the show of the spirit level. The bubble must also be at the center. So that one is showing that it is already at 90. Now from there I will pick my plumb bob. I will pick my plumb bob. I will pick my plumb bob and I put of our curve. So I'm going to put my plumb bob at that point. Then I will take it down as my friend is plumbing it. As you can see, he's busy plumbing from down. As you move it a bit, you can knock in camera. You have to check down and up by raising it. As you can see, that one is already plumbed. Now, the reason as to why we are using these blocks, these are the concrete blocks. They are of dimension 400 millimeters by 200 millimeters. So these blocks here, we are not going to build them here, but they are only helping us for supporting our boards that we are going to use for building our hardcores. We are going to build with the hardcore, so we are going to put the boards one this side and one this side. Then we build the hardcore in between the boards. So as you can see, we are building this. This block is already 400 millimeters. So and our column, which is here, is at 200 millimeters. So we are leaving some overlap on both sides for easy casting of the column. So why we are using 400 millimeters, the thickness of this wall hardcore, it is because we are going to, on top of it, we are going to build it with the, blocks up on top after building the hardcore. We are going to build with the blocks. So we have to create enough space. We have to create enough thickness that allows us to build the blocks. As you can see, here is our column also, and here is our wall. You can see we started the setting earlier in the morning, but we are still continuing with the setting. We started setting in the morning. As you can see, here is showing a curve. You can see from down there, it is showing a curve. You can see now, after setting the radius and setting the blocks to bring in this curve, now I have to put in my boards. These are the boards. You have to put them by the sides, on both sides. This thickness between this side and this side is already at 400 millimeters. So I have to put my boards, and I provide the support on both sides. So I have to provide the support here, such that when I'm building my hardcore in between, the boards does not move aside. So it is kept firm on both sides. So here are the boards. Even you can see here. You have to organize them such that they are very okay. I have to support it. I have to support it firmly from both sides. As you can see, I have to support it. Now, after finishing the supporting and putting these other boards, I have now to build the hardcore in the middle of it there, and the hardcore has to be vertically straight. So I'm going to build my hardcore, leaving the gap between the column for casting. So the space I'm going to leave some overlaps of around some 50 millimeters on both sides. I'm going to build leaving 50 millimeters for the cover on for this column. So see, now I have started now building I have to build the hardcore. As I told you, you have to build in between them. You have to build between this. This is my mortar I'm using for filling the space. This is stone pitching. I have to build it properly. Oh, as you can see, you can see my mark is at this point. This is the final level, so I have to build up to this point. Up to this point, I have put, this is my level, so I have to build up to this point, taking the level up to the other side all. So I have to build it all. So after putting, you put the mortar to fill the joints. This one is to avoid the dry bonding. You have to put mortar down before putting the hardcore. Then I enter down. I put the hardcore. So these are the blocks that I used for setting this width. This is the width. So here so I have to build it properly, as you can see. Building. So I have to remove this block, the one I used for setting. After that I have to remove it, as you can see. remove it. So, now when you are working on the hardcore, these hardcores, they have sharp edges. You have to be wearing the gloves such that it does not cut. It cannot cut your hands, so you need to be wearing the gloves because they are very sharp sometimes. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please I request you to subscribe to my channel and watch the video. You can even tap on my notification. You can tap on the notification bell there. Then for more videos I will be posting, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching my videos, as I will be showing you other videos concerning construction works and other activities. So me, I always do this construction work. I'm a mason. I do construction works, and also sometimes I do other activities. I will be posting different videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for taking your time watching my videos. May God bless you.